Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to analyze the income statement based on comparative or horizontal analysis approach in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so before I show you the preparation or calculation of this statement, first we have to take the income statement data as a questions. Okay, so you can see that we have 6 years data of income statement, you can see here. Okay, so based on this income statement we can prepare the comparative income statement. So without spending more time, let's get started. Alright, you can see this is the question area that I have just copied from sheet 2 to sheet 3. So based on this comparative income statement data, we will calculate in this selection area, that is the calculation area. Okay, so before I start to calculate the percentage value of all the component of income statement in the following years that is mentioned here, first I would like to tell you what is comparative income statement. So basically the income statement is the statement that summarizes and compares the income and expenses across 2 or more specified time periods. Alright, so this is the meaning of the comparative income statement. That means you can see that there are the multiple periods available here that show the different amount of revenue and expenses. Alright, so based on this value, let's calculate the percentage of this value. Okay, so first we can calculate from here to here, that is from 2022 to 2026, because the 2020 first needs the 2020 income statement data and we don't have the 2020 income statement data here, so that this will be skipped. Alright, so I'm going to move to 2022. Okay, now click here and now press the equal to sign, and now let's start to calculate it. So first press the open parenthesis and now just find the change value. Comparative income statement means we have to find the change value, that is from current year to previous year. So we are calculating the percentage of 2022, right? So this is our current year, so I'm going to select this one, minus this is our previous year, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, and now press the close parenthesis. So this will provide the change amount, right? But if you want to get the value in percentage form, then we have to divide by beginning value, right? So press the divide sign and now just select this one, right? And now press the enter key. Alright, you can see this is showing the 10% in the percentage form. Why? Because I have already changed this selection area format from general to percentage. This selection area from general to percentage, you can see. Now if you have not changed it, then you can change from this drop down list and show the decimal up to 2 decimal places. Alright, now click here and simply drag from here to right. Okay, and just put the cursor here and drag down. Alright, now let's click here and just select from here to here, and now let's press Ctrl B to remove the bold from the selection area. Alright, now click here and now select from here to here, and now let's add the border in this area. Okay, so here I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut key. So for this, press Alt H B A. Okay, you can see. Now let's make it the bold, the following values which I am going to select it, okay, by using the control key from the keyboard, okay, and mouse. Okay, and now press Ctrl B to bold it. Okay, why I have bold it? Because this is the major section of the income statement, that's why. Alright, you can see. Now based on this the calculated value, we can interpret the result. For example, you can see this sales value is increased by 10% in 2022. How? You can see 5 million in the year 2021, while the 5.5 million in the 2022. That means the sales revenue has been increased by 10%. And now from 2023 to 2026, all the year the sales has been increased by 10%. Right? Similarly, if you will see the net profit is decreased. If you will compare between the 2 years, you can see in the 2022 the net profit or earning after tax has been increased by 23.30%. You can see, right? So this is the general interpretation rule that can be used for this purpose. All right. So guys, it's a very easy to prepare it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video of this series. Signing out.